Alright, hole 5's par 4, 379. We're playing from the backs now. Into the breeze now. Little flags up here help. Look at fade off this left side. Perfect. Nice sound effect, Shell. Insert sound. And a Brandon. Woo! About 100. Into the breeze. Take 50. Plus you got a little bit of grass behind it, so you can get a little less spin. Ball below the feet. Aim left. Hopefully it's not deep. Might be a little deep. We'll see. Alright, so this is going this way. So how far out? I feel like I need to stand there. It's gonna level out. Give it to me. It's 2. It's 2. I'm telling you, I think the bad jinx is Jeff.
He is Mr. Poopy.
Yeah, Mr. Poopy Pants.